Imagine an auditor knocking on your door unexpectedly, and your training records are scattered across emails, spreadsheets, and paper files. That's a compliance nightmare many companies face. But with a learning management system, or LMS, you can automate, track, and prove compliance training, making audits, recertification, and risk management much simpler. In this video, we'll explore how LMS helps in compliance training, the key features you should look for, and why it's more than just a training tool. 1. Why compliance training is hard without an LMS. Many businesses still manage compliance training manually, with emails, spreadsheets, and manual reminders. This approach causes big problems. Deadlines get missed, certifications expire, and records go missing. It's hard to keep track of who completed what, when. Audit preparation becomes stressful and disorganized. These risks are especially high in heavily regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. 2. How an LMS solves these challenges. Here's how a properly built LMS transforms compliance training. Automated tracking and alerts. The LMS can automatically notify learners and managers about upcoming deadlines, certification renewals, or new courses, so nothing slips through. Audit-ready reporting. You can generate detailed, downloadable reports with learner progress, completion dates, and certification statuses ready for inspections or audits at any time. Custom training paths. Not everyone needs the same training. You can set up role-based or department-specific paths. For example, finance teams might need anti-fraud modules, while operations staff get safety training. Centralized certificate management. An LMS stores certification records securely in one place. Learners and admins can access them when needed. No more lost paper certificates. Seamless system integration. Modern LMS platforms integrate with HR systems, performance tools, and other enterprise apps, so training assignments and user data stay in sync across your organization. 3. What to look for in a compliance-focused LMS. If you're evaluating an LMS for compliance training, make sure it has these vital features. Automated workflows for enrollment, reminders, and renewals. Real-time dashboards that show training progress and risk areas. Secure certificate storage and version control for audit trails. Integration capabilities with your existing HR, payroll, or performance tools. Scalability to support changing compliance needs and growing teams. In short, an LMS isn't just a learning tool, it's a powerful system for ensuring regulatory compliance, managing certifications, and reducing risk. When done right, it saves time, streamlines audits, and gives you confidence that your team is trained and certified correctly. If this video helped you understand why an LMS is a smart strategy for compliance, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Which compliance area matters most for your business: safety, data protection, finance, or something else? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.